How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, we are going to compare two slicers, which is going to be Cura versus the Elegoo Slicer right here. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is Cura Slicer. Now, Cura is one of the most popular 3D printing slicers in the world. It's open source, constantly updated, and supports a huge range of printers and materials. It also gives users a lot of control with advanced setting for things like support, infill, pattern, print speeds, because it has such a large community out there. There are tons of tutorials, plugins, and ready-to-made profiles available online. And if we navigate through the Elegoo Slicer, their software is specifically designed for the Elegoo printers. It's very simple. It's very easy to use and usually comes with a pre-configured printer profiles, which means that you can start printing quickly without changing many settings. For beginners who just want to use your unboxed printer, the simplicity cannot be matched on the Elegoo Slicer. However, the Elegoo Slicer is more limited. It's mainly built for Elegoo machines and doesn't offer as many advanced features or customization options as Cura. It also evolves more slowly and has a smaller community, meaning fewer guides and profiles available online. So to answer the question, if you're just a beginner using a Elegoo printer and want something simple that works right away, the Elegoo Slicer is a good starting point. But if you want more control, more feature, and stronger community support, Cura is usually the better long-term option. And in reality, many people start with the Elegoo Slicer but eventually switch to Cura as they learn more about tuning their prints. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.